Well, if you're a fan of Cisco certification, it just doesn't get any more exciting than a new Cisco Certified Network Associate exam, and that's exactly what Cisco has announced. So we are here to cover with you in full the CCNA, and we're simply going to call it version 2. That's right, CCNA version 2. Let's talk about the details of this certification training and exam that we are going to walk you through. First of all, when is the first day to test? It is February 3rd, 2027. So February 3rd of 2027 will be your first day to test on this new CCNA exam, which will be 2 hours in duration. And I can remember back when it cost a lot less than $300, but that is the price in US dollars, $300 for an exam take. It is available in English and Japanese, and the exam will be like previous editions. We're going to have multiple choice, we're going to have drag and drop, and then we're going to have the simulation questions. These are actual operating systems of the routers and the switches that are running right within the exam test-taking environment. I've got videos here on my channel that guide you through exactly what those are like if you want to check those out. So a very standard CCNA format for the last few iterations of the exam is what we will be facing. How about our topics? Well, the major sections are going to be network infrastructure and connectivity, no surprise there, switching and network access, no surprise, IP routing, no surprise, network services and security, there's no surprise, and of course they had to work AI into the major section titles, of course. So we have a section on AI and network operations and management. So in that section, we'll talk about things like AI agents and large language models and all this new technology that we have to discuss with you about AI, but we'll also be covering some tried and true network management and operations stuff like simple network management protocol and topics like that we've been familiar with in the CCNA for a real long time. So what we're going to be doing is covering all of this with you, including hands-on labs, and we're going to do it in the exact order of the exam objectives that we've been given from Cisco Systems. So what can you expect next here in these CCNA videos? Well, the network infrastructure and connectivity section begins with diagnosing interface and cable issues, and then they give us a long list of potential issues we would need to be able to diagnose. We're going to be tackling all of these objectives in the order they're presented, so I will see you in the next video, which will actually lay out for us the entire first domain of the exam objectives. And then in the very video after that, we'll tackle this 1.1 exam objective in great detail. All right, lots of great content coming up. Thank you so much for joining me here, and let's get to studying for our version 2 of the CCNA exam.